Long time no see, I'm back in Thailand. Today, special episode, and I'm going to take you with me to Khao Sok National Park. I wanted to go there last year, but I didn't have time, so I was thinking that since I'm here, might as well do it now. Oh, hi! So I'm going to be staying at this resort on the lake called 500 RAI RESORT. I'm leaving Phuket today in like 20 minutes. I paid a transfer to go to the pier there. I think it's like 4,500 baht. Let's go. So yeah, apparently the drive from Phuket to Khao Sok is about 3 hours. So I will see you once we are there. So yeah, I made it to the pier for, like I said, 3 hours from Phuket. And in like 15 minutes, I'm gonna board one of those long tables. I think the boat drive is about like an hour and a half. So the park entrance fee is 200 baht and 20 more for like whatever fees you have to pay. Yeah, it's already a mess, I'm sorry. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna try to fly my drone because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be nice. Hopefully the sun stays because I think the rain will not win. But we'll see. And look, I have a kayak and stuff from Oh, hi! Second day, yes! So this morning I woke up for sunrise around 6:30 and it was pretty amazing for my drone. Today I'm gonna do, like in 10 minutes, I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna do like another boat tour, and the weather, which I was afraid was gonna be rainy and stuff, it's pretty sunny, so it's amazing. This afternoon I'm probably gonna do like some kayaking, because there's like a kayak parked in front of my house, so I'm gonna try. Okay, I have to go because I'm gonna be late, so I will see you on a boat. Okay, quick update. I thought it was going to be like an hour boat tour, just like doing some, I don't know, whatever, but it's actually a 3-hour boat tour, which was like 40 minutes long tailboats, then 1.4 kilometers walking up and down. Now bamboo rafting, going to a cave here, I think. I don't know. Wait. Focus. Here. Yes. So to do some cave exploration, whatever, and then going back. So it's actually 3 hours. So it's fun.
Thai and stalagmite look like a coral.
Yeah.
And this cave used to be the sea before 250 and 400 million years ago.
Okay.
It was discovered in 2002 by the local people. Oh, you elephant, a sparking diamond. It's like a broccoli, cauliflower.
Yay! Oh my god, it's dirty. On this note, I'm going to conclude the video now because I wanted to do a boat trip tomorrow morning before leaving, but it's not possible. I wanted to fly my drone, but they say no. There's no space, so no boat tour. It's fine. So yeah, I'm going to leave tomorrow. Then I guess. So I'm going to dinner and like go to sleep soon, and maybe wake up for surprise again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next year. Let's book.